Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 15th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So we had CPI inflation data for the US today, and inflation was up a little bit, caused the dollar to go up, caused the US dollar yen to go up. Pretty much ever since this turned way down here, I've been saying that it likely will take out the higher wave A. You can look back at my videos on that, and that we're likely in a wave C. Now, a wave C, now that we've taken out the high wave A, could turn at any one of these Fibonacci levels. So if we see like a nice little double top right here, nice break of structure over the next maybe several days, then that's what we're going to be looking for the bigger sort. But it doesn't have to stop here. It can push up to the 90. It can push up to the 100. It's that double top at a Fibonacci level and a break of structure that's going to tell us that this is over. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, seeing a break of structure on this 1 hour definitely doesn't tell me the trend is over. I would have to see a break of starts on like the 4 hour to daily time frame. So if I do see a little bit of a push down, I definitely would still be looking at every move I see to the downside as nothing more than a possible correction to the last wave up. So if you do see a three-way pullback, a Fibonacci bounce, and a golfing move to the upside, I would definitely continue to look for longs until like at least a 4 hour daily time frame tell us otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.